Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can achieve Faux Locs or Faux Locs on your hair using old reusable kinky hair. So stay tuned. So I first started by washing my hair. My hair is actually washed. It is clean. I went to the salon, got my hair stretched out, and I had these 3-strand twists installed. This is how they look like. I had them installed at the salon only because I wanted clear parts on my hair and I wanted my hair laid. So that's why I went to the salon, but you can skip that part if you want to. You can actually stretch your own hair at home and you can actually install these 3-strand twists at home. You will need them to attain that effortless Faux Locs look. The first thing you're actually going to do is a crochet needle. This is how mine looks like. It's a regular crochet needle. And then the next thing you're going to need is your braiding hair. This is an old reusable kinky hair that I have at home that I'm going to be using to achieve this look at zero cost, at no cost at all. So if you have old hair laying down in your home, you could use it to achieve this amazing hairstyle. First thing you're going to do is put your crochet through your hair and use your kinky hair to kind of pull it through. Let me show you. I'll be referencing to my mirror over there so that I can have a clear of how I want it. So this is what you do. You insert your crochet needle inside your hair. You take your hair, you put it onto the needle, close your needle and you pull through the hair. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure that one side is longer than the other, and this is what you should have. The next thing you're going to do is to take the longer side and to start wrapping around the shorter side. That's exactly how you're going to achieve your look. So you start wrapping around
you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain.
If you want to achieve this style faster, I recommend that you use this technique that I'm using. Use your right hand to hold the braid, then use your left to wrap around the braid around the shorter strand, and use your index finger to kind of, pull it back. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but this style or this technique makes it a tad bit faster than what you would regularly use. So at the end, this is what you should be having. At the end, you separate the hair that you were using to wrap into two, and kind of tie a knot. Just tie a knot at the end. Tie that knot, and there you go. You should have it. Some hair has just remained at the bottom, but that's okay. So you should tie a knot, and there you go. You have your Faux Loc already. So repeat throughout the whole head, and there you have it. This is just a close-up of what I was talking about at the bottom. Secure your Faux Loc with a knot. Use the longer hair strand to tie a knot at the end so that you can secure your lock. let's go through the process again. So you take your crochet needle, you insert it through your hair, and then you take your braiding hair, the kinky hair that you're using. It can be new, it can be reusable. You insert it on the crochet needle like what I'm doing, and then you close the hook, and then you pull it through your hair, just as what you can see I'm doing. After you've achieved this, you start wrapping the longer strand around the shorter strand so that you can get a nice firm faux locs look. You have to wrap really tightly so that you can achieve a firm look. And that's it. Once you do this, you have achieved your faux loc. This is how we're looking at the moment. I have made tremendous progress. I still have a whole lot of head to get through, but by now you've already gotten a gist of what we are doing, so you just repeat the whole process throughout your head, and once you do that, you have achieved your effortless, cost-free faux locs look. So if you have kinky hair lying around your home and you have some spare time or some free time, you could recreate this hairstyle, and do let me know if you do so. Tag me on Instagram at It's Nduta Kamau or on YouTube at Nduta, and I will check out your hairstyle and make sure to like your video. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and if you do want to see how I styled my look, I will leave a link of that video in the description. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.